Hey guys, I hope everything is well on your side. Today we'll be talking about Chat GPT. This is a new thing coming up everywhere and everyone is talking about. So I wanted to clear out a few things about Chat GPT as a lot of people have been talking about ChatGPT and making YouTube videos saying that it can actually write codes for you and it can make an expert advisor, for example, or trading robot that can uh, make you millionaire and stuff like that. So is this true? Let me show you a few things here. Uh, Here I wrote of course, I created an account first, and then I went in and I wrote a few things, such as can you convert MQL4 Expert Advisor into MQL5 Expert Advisor? This is Expert Advisor is a trading robot that's made with a language called MQL, and latest language version is 5, and there is also 4 that's still working. And it's made to be traded on MetaTrader 5 platform. Their website is mql5.com, and you can actually go into the market and buy robots that would actually trade for you 24/7. And some of them are actually really good, and I myself have a few robots on the market, about three or four of them. Now, let's talk about this Chat GPT. First off, does it really write everything for you? Does it write it correctly? So here I asked, I said, can you convert? Just this is just a conversion. So I have already written a code in MQL4 and I want to make it into MQL5. It said you have to hire some professional to do that work for you, and it gave you some information which is general information. So later on I went and I wrote this: convert MQL5 indicator file into MQL5 expert advisor. What is an indicator? Indicator is a type of program that works on the chart. For example, gold versus US dollar, or euro versus Japanese yen, filan. Yani stuff like that. So if you write an indicator and you want to convert this indicator into an expert advisor and then work from this expert advisor to actually open trades and close trades and basically win and lose, then you have to convert this indicator first into an expert advisor. Then you can have it work directly from the expert advisor. Otherwise, you would have to have two files, one indicator and one expert advisor. The robot itself that opens and closes the trades, and this is only indication. Indication that says when the price hits some certain point, give me a buy indication, for example. If it hits certain point or certain condition happens, give me a buy indication or a sell indication. Then the expert advisor will handle it from there and actually open the trade and close the trade. So either after writing this, this is very easy, this is not complicated. It just gives you general information of what you should look for, not even steps how to do it, but just general things like untick. This is a function everyone knows about, that basically programs in this or code in this language. On send on, but it didn't give us anything. Now, if I go to something that's deeper, let's look at this. Here, what I wrote is I make a killer expert advisor that trades every second. So this is I'm actually telling it to do something. You know, Then write the winning trades into a text file, then match them with some indicators. Same thing, give exact same thing, but it gave some general functions like order send, RSI. This is an indicator. Now, if you go and write this into MQL editor, which is the language editor or compiler, then you'll actually get errors. This is also for opening file. This is general. This is for any language. Most of the time, this is how you do it. This is very close syntax. But would this actually work if you write it directly into the platform? Some of them work, some of them don't work. Also, if you go on tech function, this is like an update function that happens every tech that comes, or every piece of information that comes from the broker server. So every update of the price, like here, this is the price. Every update that comes from the broker, it goes right into on take function. This is as well same thing. It's just giving you general things, but can you actually write a full code and actually, a code that will win you money? No. If actually the code that it writes is full of mistakes. So would this chat GPT be suitable for someone that doesn't know about programming and want to write something just using chat GPT? No, it will not do anything for you. Actually, you have to be proficient in the language to understand if this is correct or not, to understand what this will do, because it's full of mistakes. You have to adjust a lot of stuff in it to to actually make it work. If you go and compile this code, it will give you errors. But if you don't know what the language is, you don't know what the syntax of the language is, how to write the code, then of course you're hitting a wall. You can't do anything. You don't know what the error means. So that's why this is not a tool that will make you write code that will win money for you. Even if you use it for TradingView, this is TradingView here, which is different platform. They also have indicators. They also have expert advisors or robots that trade 24/7. A lot of people write so many things, and they also have market and things like that. Now, also here, I wrote something like write, for example, write code for Pine script. This platform is based on coding language called Pine script. So write code for Pine script that will use, say, moving average to open and close trades. Let's see what it does. Sure. So we'll say, okay, sure, I'll write something for you. And it will actually write few stuff. And we will take it and we will try it actually now on Pine on this platform and see if it actually works. So what it did is it's using something called moving average, which is a very famous indicator that based on few lines, and you decide the lines and the length of the lines and things like that. When they cross, they will give you a signal to open buy. When they go in, one is over the other one in certain way. This is indication of closing a sell or closing a buy or opening sell or opening buy. So we'll take this code right here. Sorry, I'll take this code. So copy code. All right, we'll come here and we will open the Pine script editor. And let's expand this a bit and say, okay, I want to write I want to write a code here. So Pine editor. And I will take this off because we already have this line and paste this code. Now I'll go and hit save, which means compile this. Save. Let's see if it actually compiles. Okay, I will name it test. Chat GPT. Let's see what happens. Look at this. Right away we got reference error. Now say I would to fix this, or say I would to comment this and say save. Look at this crossover. What is crossover? It's giving you everything has errors. Now if I fix this and comment this, so comment this out, I will say something else. You know, it's full of errors. So really you can't use this for writing a code, fully functional code that will actually trade and gain money. Nevertheless, actually being having so much errors and stuff, you have to know the language, you have to know everything about it. And actually it says here in most of the cases, actually it says it's recommended to talk to a professional coder to get this. And this is, it would say this is not a reliable code that you can use to trade. You know, it actually says that. So I just wanted to show you this quickly because of there's a lot of talk about it. There's a lot of where it's going out and flying up and stuff, and people are getting their hopes up. Oh, I can actually get a code written from ChatGPT and I can actually win a lot of money. It's not the case, unfortunately. So I hope that this was beneficial for you. Take care and have a good day.